Here is one of the many articles covering AMC right now. AMC's 4-day surge slapped short sellers with $1.3 billion loss. The relentless 4-day winning streak in AMC Entertainment Holdings is drawing even more blood from short sellers. Now here's what I don't like about this narrative. A lot of the articles I've read today talking about squeezing short sellers. But I don't personally think that's happened. I just saw a tweet earlier today from OKEx. Short interest update. AMC continues to rally, reaching $33 in the pre-market. Fantastic news. AMC Apes is trending on Twitter. Even better news. Short interest increased yesterday and is now estimated at 17.37% of free float. We have an even stronger short interest compared to yesterday. So what does this tell us? Well, it tells us that the shorts haven't even begun to cover their positions, and if anything, they're adding more to their positions, and hence why there's an increase in short interest. This narrative of the short squeeze annoys me because it's not entirely true. I mean, I want you to buy AMC just as much as the next other guy, but the reality of the fact that is just people just like the stock and people just want to buy the stock. And let's just jump over to Wall Street bets. It's literally just AMC. Let's hold it, boys. I was down with diamond hands. AMC to the moon. I mean, what's more to say? It's people like the stock. Now let's get serious for a little bit. We now have more short interest than we do yesterday from potentially hedge funds and maybe some retail traders, and they obviously want to drive the prices down. But the reality is very simple. If more retail traders step in, then we will see a short squeeze today. But if retail traders takes profit and get out, it's going to be a massive sell-off. Let's jump over to the charts and let's see what we have yesterday and in the pre-market. So on the 5-minute chart, we have a resistance level at the intraday high yesterday. And in the pre-market, we saw the price gap up and then coming back down, forming prices around this level here. I mean, I won't lie, right now the stochastic and the MACD both look very good. Let's just zoom out a little bit to the 15-minute to see if we see a similar story. Yep, more or less, we see that the MACD and the stochastic are both looking not too bad. On the 1 hour, looks very good on the 1 hour, and on the 4 hours, also looking very good. Now let's just jump back to the 1 hour for a bit. We see that the price is sitting above the level formed yesterday, and it's now acting as support, which is very good news for the people in the long position. And we also see a bull flag forming, followed by a gap up in the pre-market today, which are all very bullish signs. My expectation of AMC is that it probably has a higher probability of it going higher than it would go lower. But I don't want people to put more money on AMC simply because what I said makes them feel good about their position. The smaller guys beating the big guys, the underdogs beating the grand champion. However, the matter of the fact is that there is more short interest today than there were yesterday. So this could all go very south very quickly. There is only about 15 minutes before the market opens. Best of luck to all of you, and AMC strong.